Hi, my name's Melissa Moses, registered dietitian with Brenner Fit. I commonly get questions on ways to reduce fat in the diet. There's a few ways that we can definitely do this. One is to choose a variety of cooking methods. So instead of frying things as often, we would want to choose things like roasting, baking, steaming, grilling, or sauteing more often. And one thing to know is that a little bit of oil definitely goes a long way when you are cooking. So you don't have to use as much oil as you think. Another way would be to choose reduced fat dairy products more often. So these would be things like reduced fat milk, reduced fat cheeses, and yogurts. And lastly would be to change the type of meats that you're choosing. So choosing leaner meats more often. So this would mean looking for words like loin, like tender loin, or things like breasts, or just paying attention to the amount of fat that's on the outer edges of your meat. Whenever you're choosing things like ground turkey or ground chicken, you always want to pay attention and choose things that say ground chicken breasts or ground turkey breasts, because those are going to be the things that are leaner. For more information about Brenner Fit, go to brennerchildrens.org.